Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Loudoun County in northern Virginia, north central Fauquier County in northern Virginia, northwestern Prince William County in northern Virginia, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Middleburg, Oregon, 14 miles west of Brambleton, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Leesburg, South Riding, Broadlands, Brambleton, Ashburn, Middleburg, Arcola, Oatlands, St. Louis, Catharpin, Gleedsville, Woolsey, Rectortown, Aldie, Halfway, and Filament. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.